Hello, just hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to our latest app, the Guide to Bodhisattva's Way of Life and its Commentaries, or in Tibetan, Chojuk. If you are familiar with the Chojuk, then you know just how time-consuming and inconvenient it can be to go through numerous textbooks. This problem is not just a matter of a few days or weeks. It continues for years to complete the entire course. Let me share my personal experience. When I was studying Chojuk, my teacher would give me homework to study at least 2 to 3 commentaries on a particular stanza or sentence from the root text. But when I got home, I found myself spending hours trying to find or locate the right commentaries instead of studying. And there were several reasons why it was so difficult. In many commentary books, the root text is not displayed, it is just a continuous explanation. So it becomes impossible to find a specific explanation unless you are incredibly lucky or are willing to go through the entire textbook word by word. Even if you have all the commentary books with the root stanza, it still takes hours to find the relevant explanation. Simply knowing the root stanza is not enough to find its explanation right away. You need to remember the chapter number or stanza number and specific page number in case of a specific commentary books. Moreover, carrying multiple textbooks between the classroom and home can be very tiresome. That's why our mobile application provides a different experience entirely. With this app, you don't have to spend hours searching for explanation or carrying around numerous textbooks. All you need is your mobile phone and a few seconds to type in the text and select the commentary you wish to read. It's that simple. Trust me, with this app, anyone can be efficient with their time and spend more time studying.
Let us check this mobile app together. This root text with 3 different commentaries. You can add more if you want. Here, the root text font is big. We can adjust the font size and its background color as per your preference. We can check root text with many commentaries. But let's first we check root text with one commentary. Let's choose Gyaltse Tongme Sangpo's commentary. This is the first stanza with its explanation just below on the same screen. If you scroll on upper screen, then the lower screen will automatically adjust itself to give you its explanation right below. If you want to add another commentary, then you can change here with each root text and its explanation. You can also check with 2 commentaries at the same time. So here, blue font color is Tongme Sangpo's commentary, and the red color font is Kumpel's commentary. The second stanza also has 2 commentaries. But you can't check more than 2 commentaries at the same time. So in that case, you need to change the second commentary option and replace it with another commentary. You can check for commentary of any root stanza, so it is very user friendly. It saves a lot of your time, and the best part is you don't need to carry thick books around with you. This application can be installed in both Android phone and tablets. Another special feature is this search tab. You can search any terms or phrases from the stanza. This will solve the problem of not finding the terms in the books. For example, if we type in this term, here is the search result. It says the term is in chapter number 9 and stanza 689. Then you can easily check the explanation in 2 commentary books. Another feature is you can change the application language to Tibetan or any other languages too. So this is our brief introduction about this application. Thank you very much.